Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we want to find the specific internal energy for water when the pressure is at 50 kPa and the temperature is at 200 degrees Celsius. So this is a table lookup question. So we can skip the free body diagram because there is none. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. So internal energy, and it's specific, so that means it's little u. So what you need to do is go to your property table. You can Google search this, you can find it at the back of your textbook or in your PDF. You can read the pinned comment for the table number, but I can't show you in the video. Okay, so this is a custom property table for this question. Alright, so you go to your pressure table because that's what they give you. You go to 50, then you compare the given temperature with the saturated temperature. So 200 is greater than 81.32 degrees Celsius. So that means it is a superheated vapor. So step 4, you go to your superheated table. You use your 50 kPa and your 200 degrees Celsius. Sometimes they have it as 0.050 MPa in your tables. So once you find it, then you line it up and you line up your temperature with your pressure, and then you go to your specific internal energy column, and then you should find your number. In this case it'll be 2660 kilojoules per kilogram. So even though this is just looking at property tables, disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. And since this is property tables, in past versions and future versions, your values are going to be different, but the method is the same. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.